If you're looking for a tax and business strategist, Mr. Wayne Scully is one of the baddest there is. If you're a landlord or someone who flip houses or a real estate pro, then Mr. Wayne Scully is definitely one you should know. He's a seasoned tax professional, podcaster, business consultant, financial planner, entrepreneur, and author. So, to see how this brother can help you become more successful, go ahead and get a free copy of his book too. It's on tax resolution and tax planning. And you can get a free copy at www.getmytaxbook.com. Again, www.getmytaxbook.com. Okay, with no further ado, let me introduce you to my good buddy, Mr. Wayne Scully. Come on, good brother.
Hey,
All
V.
right. There you go, good
man.
brother.
Thank you
Yes,
for having
sir.
me, man. Here's the book right here. Copy of it right here. You all can see that. 21 tax topics to stay compliant and save money. Like he said, it's available for free.
There you go.
For free on that website, getmytaxbook.com. So we'll check that out, V.
There you
So
go.
V,
So talk to me, good brother. Let the people know exactly what you do, even though I told them a little bit about you. You have these here little slogans and stuff like that you
Yeah.
want to add. Please
So-
feel free, brother.
yeah, so I am a business and tax strategist. I specialize in working with landlord flippers and real estate pros in the New York tri-state area. I help with tax planning, tax resolution, business consulting. It's all about saving money for people, right? That's what it comes down to. Making your processes better, so you can collect more money. You can save more taxes with the IRS. If you have a tax problem, we can fix that for you. That's what I do, V.
All right. Well, you already know today we brought in some sparkling champagne to kick off Brother Wayne Scully 2024 marketing campaign. And what we're going to do is we're going to help you know some things that you probably didn't know. Like, for example, the one-word definition for marketing is exist. And what we're going to do today is let you know that brother exists to do certain things. Like what? Okay, here we go. I'm going to share my screen with you, and I'm going to let you know what he exists to help you to do. Here we go. There we go. Let's start with the businesses first. Mr. Wayne Scully, he has a subscription plan after he gave you the free book, okay? Now, this is what you pay for, right? He has a subscription plan called the Silver, the Gold, the Platinum, and the Diamond plan. And these plans can help you actually better plan what you're trying to do, your tax strategy out there. So I want to just let you know what's going on. He can take care of your tax prep, your tax accounting monitoring. What that means, he will monitor your account, let you know if the IRS is looking at you or certain things you might want to do. He also does audit protection. So again, these are all good things. And again, if you look at them over here, all of these things are things you're going to need. How much of them will you need is dependent upon you. These are the individual plans. Now, let me go real quick over to the business plan, which some of y'all might need a little bit more often, especially if you're a creator or if you are an influencer, then you're definitely going to need one of these plans right here. And these plans call for him to prepare your tax return, actually monitor your tax account. And if you're a business, then that would be a good idea for you. Also, if you're a business, you know the IRS is going to be coming one day, right? So how about audit protection for the tax returns that Mr. Scully prepared? Also, some light bookkeeping, because you became a creator or influencer. So you can actually do that type of thing. You didn't become those things in order to watch your books and all of that other stuff, other than reasonably keeping your receipts and that type of thing. So other than that, let's look at this goal plan, talking about the tax prep. Again, tax account monitoring, audit protection, bookkeeping. And this is a new one here, payroll services. For most businesses who have like if you're a one-person business, you might not have any payroll services. However, if you have employees, then you definitely want to pay close attention to these payroll services because the IRS will definitely hit you with that. Now, one that Mr. Scully loved the most is the expense reduction coaching. This is when you get to speak to brother several times a year because he's going to show you how to decrease your expenses. And anytime you're, He's taking care of your expenses because depending on what you're doing, you're going to have to spend money to make money. You hear that, right? However, when you're spending money, he's going to let you know the best way to do that and be able to write it off for your tax return too. Because don't think every dime you spend can be written off. That's not how it works. Mr. Scully, he can explain that to you as well. Let's go now to the platinum, and the platinum, you know what you get for the platinum. Everything that's in the gold, except now we're going to add one more, outsource CFO. Tell me how many of y'all influencers don't need that. How many landlords and house flippers don't need to outsource this information to them, to their CEO, aka Mr. Wayne Scully. Absolutely. All right, y'all. How about the diamond? The diamond, this is the thing right here that includes everything, including, this is the thing here, tax planning. The tax planning thing is the thing that you're going to want to do a little bit more better. And the reason why I say more better is because the AI technology, ooh, they're going to help us pull it together real quick. They're going to help us to say, wait a minute, hold on. What I haven't been focusing on, I might just have to focus on a little bit better. So all of these things, my good buddy Wayne Scully, he exists to help you get. And if you want to know more, by all means, you can reach out to my good brother on his social media platforms. He's on all the platforms, y'all. You know which ones I'm talking about. I'm talking about the Twitter. I'm talking about the TikTok. I'm talking about the what's the other, the YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, all of those things. So again, if you need help, my good buddy Wayne Scully is definitely here to help you out. So you remember what the one word definition of marketing is: exist. Once you know that this brother exists and he is good at doing what he's doing, then he immediately go where? To the top of your list. So again, this is the kickoff to 2024 marketing campaign for my good buddy, Mr. Wayne Scully. Brother, do you want to talk about the book a little bit before we leave? Good brother?
Yeah, the book is chock full of great information. A lot of it is, as you said before, resolution topics. So your liens, your levies, how to put together a payment plan, installment agreement, that is, or also do an offer and compromise. You know, you can't afford to pay the entire bill. There are ways to structure it so you could pay way less than what you owe. So for sure, it's a must go-to. It's a must go-to book. Get this book, okay? I mean it. Get the book, and it's especially out there for free. It can give you some baseline information that you probably don't already know. And if you don't, if you do know and you just can't help yourself, you can definitely reach out to me to get more information about that. You know what I mean? So for sure, guys, it's again a free copy. I have the hard copy right here. You can get this on Amazon, by the way. But if you want a free copy, you just want the knowledge, not the fancy hardcover, go to that website, www.getmytaxbook.com. www.getmytaxbook.com. That's where you get that book at.
All right, there you go.
That's it for me, V.
Okay, thank you very much. Now, brother, this is the thing. What you did not tell the people is that even if they did not need a subscription plan because they're already covered with that, what you did not tell them is that you're also a certified internal auditor. Now, can you please speak to me about that? Because you got a lot of people who own property, who flip houses. They might be creators or influencers. Why would they need to know about a certified internal auditor, aka CIA? Can you please talk about it?
Yeah, by the way, I don't work for the CIA. Just speak it up. Certified internal auditor. CIA certified internal. So a lot of people gonna say, CIA, what are you? You work for the government? Nah, I don't work for the government like that. I work with the government in some aspects. When you deal with the IRS, you're technically, they're your partner, right, in this stuff and helping people resolve their tax problems.
There you go.
So a certified internal auditor, basically, we basically audit people's processes, their systems, their policies, procedures. That's how the businesses meet their objectives. So we ensure that, right, from that perspective, by looking at those systems and so forth, we're helping them be better.
Excellent.
Not be better, be better.
There you
what
go.
they do to make sure they meet their organizational objectives. That's really what that comes down to. So, I mean, unless you're really a huge company, I would say a huge company, but a mid-sized company, you're growing, you may not have need for that, a super great need for that. Although I believe everyone needs to have good processes, no matter
There
how
you
small you
go.
are.
There you go.
You know what I mean? Or big you are. But, you know, to if you do the cost benefit analysis, you know, you have to weigh that. We're going to talk about it and have a greater discussion about that. But really, we're looking at processes. We're looking at how to make things better.
There you go.
for you and your business, so you
And-
can feed your family. You know what I mean?
And you have to understand, at the beginning, you have to understand the reason why process is important, because at the end of every process is a product. So you can't get a product without the process.
And if you have a good product, then you might have a good profit.
Absolutely.
See, so,
There you-
so those pieces, all those pieces go
I
together,
like
brother.
that. I like that. I
You know
like
You
that.
know what I mean? Good
I like
process,
that.
good process leads to a good product, which leads to good profit.
There you go.
So, you know.
And one other thing I wanted to touch on before we're going is the fact that brother is also a certified estate planner. And the reason why that's very important is because for those of us who are about to be on the other side of 50 or already on the other side of 50 and then you're getting older, or actually you ain't got to be on the other side of 50. Preferably you want to start as young as possible to start planning for retirement or an estate plan. Point is that when you get older and you're no longer working a 9 to 5, now you're going to be dependent upon 3 forms of income: your Social Security, your pension, and whatever private savings you have. Mr. Scully can help you actually make sure you have that balance, because that becomes the ultimate challenge when your finances are not in balance. So definitely you want to see him if you want to reach that type of financial freedom. Good brother, any words before we leave?
No, I just tell people, get the book, okay? 21 tax
There you
topics
go.
to stay compliant and save money, available for purchase on Amazon.com. But if you want a free copy, go to www.getmytaxbook.com. www.getmytaxbook.com. Okay, get a free copy of this book. Valuable. I mean, to be honest with you, I could probably sell this book for $1,000.
There you go. I'm glad you don't.
But I'm giving it away for free.
Yes, sir.
Okay, for free. I don't want to put this book in the right place, but
There
for
you go.
free, get
There
this
you
book here for free. Okay, folks. So that's what I want to say, V. Go get the
All right.
book. Okay, get that book.
Thank you.
www.getmytaxbook.com.
There you go.
Right?
Y'all got it.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you very much for supporting my good brother. We really appreciate
Appreciate you.
that. Absolutely.
And V, thank you for joining me and helping me promote for 2024.
Absolutely. That's what I'm about to
Appreciate you.
say. We actually brought in some sparkling champagne
That's right.
to kick off this 2024
campaign.
marketing campaign. We got it. All right, y'all.
All
Y'all have
right.
a beautiful,
All
nice
right,
new
take
year.
care.
Let's get it started
All right.
off right.
Peace.
Support my good buddy, Mr. Wayne Scully.
Appreciate it.
Peace.
Peace.